And biyahe na ulit dahil ilang araw na lang, back to Manila na ako. So we're here in Talakag, Bukidnon. And just arrived at Lantaw 360 Camp and Cafe here in Talakag, Bukidnon.
Ito yung sabi mo 360. Sila mas natin yung pala doon.
So it's a camping site and cafe. They also serve food, coffee, may sikwate rin sila. And if ever na wala kang dalang tent, they can also offer some tent. And meron din silang mga teepee house, mga kubo, and big teepee house for bigger groups, no? So Baguio feels din siya kung makikita niyo maraming pine trees. And at the same time, kahit tanghaling tapat, malamig yung breeze ng hangin. And nakaka-relax talaga siya since mountain view siya. And at the same time, yung mga nagko-farming sa kabilang side ng makikita mo. Paano nga ba makapunta rito sa Lantaw 360 Camp and Cafe? So wala pa naman siyang public transportation from Bukidnon. So it's either you rent a van or private vehicle from Bukidnon or CDO if you're gonna visit Lantaw 360. So Lantaw 360 Camp and Cafe is one of the few na mga campsite here in Bukidnon. So if by chance malapit ka rito, try to visit their place and enjoy. And enjoy the view plus yung malamig na hangin. And sa dulo ng video na to, nakalagay yung overnight rates nila for their kubo and teepee house. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe!